Hey everybody, we're going to be making savory apple chicken sausage patties today. And for that I'm going to need a pound of ground chicken, 1 apple shredded and with the juice removed, some fresh thyme and parsley, probably about a good tablespoon each, a teaspoon of chicken poultry seasoning, about a half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and a little bit of sage, since there's probably some sage in the seasoning also. Well, this shouldn't be that bad, so let's go. First step will be to get my ground chicken into a bowl, followed by my apples, herbs, and my salt, poultry seasoning, and pepper. I'm going to be mixing that together thoroughly. When I'm done, I'll have a lovely combo like that. And of course, now it's time to cook it. Next step will be to warm up a pan with oil and start cooking the chicken sausage patties until they are golden brown on each side. I'm going to guess about 4 to 6 minutes, because you don't want them to be raw in the middle either. And once I have them all cooked up, the best time will be here to try them out. Well, it's time to bite into our chicken sausage and try it on out. So, let's go. I wasn't sure these were going to taste like sausage, but they do. I was wondering if it would have been better if we did half chicken, half pork, but after tasting it, it's really good. I think the thyme and the sage really make it in this dish, and you can actually taste a clear, sweet little taste of apple every once in a while, so that's good. Sometimes it gets drowned out. Well, I would suggest that these are a nice little twist up for any breakfast sandwich, sausage, or just eating with eggs or anything that you could think of for breakfast. So if you like what you saw, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. I will see you in our next one.